Let's learn about ratios. Ratio is the result of a comparison between two different amounts. For example, in a paper bag, there are some white and black marbles. The white marble ratio is 2 to 7. Let's take a look at the picture, okay? You have a paper bag here. hmm? There are white dots or marbles and black dots or marbles. As you can see, there are only 2 white marbles versus 7 black marbles. So when I am saying, give me the ratio of white marbles and black marbles, I'm asking for the number on the white marbles first. Okay, I repeat. I'm asking, what is the ratio between white and black marbles? So I'm asking for the number of the white marbles first. What should be the number you give me? 2. Mhm. And then, since we have 7 black marbles, we say 2 to 7. Mhm. Very good. In this paper bag, for each 2 white marbles, there are 7 black marbles. Therefore, the ratio found is 2 to 7. Now, let's take a look at another example. When we talk about exams, for example, in a final test, the ratio between approved and failed exams was 4 to 3. Okay? For each 4 approved exams, there are 3 failed tests. The ratio is then 4 approved to 3 failed. Now look at the introduction. The ratio between approved and failed. So I'm asking for the number of the approved first. Okay? Approved and failed. So first the approved and then the number that corresponds to the failed tests. And the last example I brought to you is oranges that look very delicious and some limes, okay? In here, in mathematics, a ratio indicates how many times one number contains another. For example, if there are 8 oranges and 6 lemons in a bowl of fruit, the ratio of oranges to lemons is 8 to 6. Why? Because I'm asking for oranges first. So that's the first number you give me, okay? Then again, I'm saying from oranges to lemons, okay? But this picture corresponds to limes anyway. Oranges to lemons. So you give me first the number that corresponds to oranges and then the number that corresponds to lemons. Similarly, the ratio of lemons to oranges is 6 to 8. Why? Because now I'm saying lemons first. So this is the number you should give me first. And as I told you at the beginning, we have 6 lemons. And I'm asking for lemons, so this is the first number you give me, number 6. And the ratio of oranges to the total amount of fruit is 8 to 14. Okay, look at this part. The ratio of oranges to the total amount of fruit. So I'm now making the comparison between how many oranges versus the total of fruits we have. How much is 8 times 6? That's 14. So the ratio between oranges and the total amount is 8 to 14. Okay? Thank you very much.